I'm pretty confident today, you know, I'm feeling good about my dish. I'm not going to put something on the plate just for the hell of it.
You're obviously cooking with chocolate. We haven't seen anything sweet from you so far.
Yeah, I need to get a dessert up and see what you think of it. You're the king of desserts, so I want to please you today, give you a dessert that you'll like.
What are you making, Jamie?
I'm making a chocolate genoise with a chocolate ganache, toffee sauce, a raspberry coulis, and some cereal milk ice cream.
Jamie, forgive me, you chuck more at a plate than 3 contestants put together. Why give yourself so much to do?
I think when you come on MasterChef, there's only one opportunity to show off and make sure that you give it your best shot.
This sounds fantastic, but it also sounds as if you've given yourself a massive challenge, Jamie. Good luck.
Thank you, Greg, thank you.
Chocolate cake, a Genoise, the classic confectioner's cake, light as you like, rich with chocolate. If he gets it right, I'll be really, really happy. Ganache should be thick, it should be glossy. There's lots of technique in here. But it's the addition of toffee and raspberries. Toffee, raspberries, cereal milk, ice cream, cake and chocolate sauce. It's getting a bit scary for Jamie.
You're halfway. 45 minutes left.
"29-year-old Jamie has made a chocolate Genoise on top of chocolate ganache, served with cereal-flavoured milk ice cream, a toffee sauce, raspberry coulis, and a toffee crisp rice."
I think it looks lovely. It's a chocolate and raspberry sweet rock pool.
Jamie, I think you can be really proud of that. I think it looked incredibly appetising. It looked like the sort of professionally delivered dessert that I'd expect at this stage of MasterChef. I like the fact that you've got some accompanying ice cream, and I really like the contrasting textures that you've got here. There's a smoothness in the ganache, there's a sort of floweriness in this sort of, it's almost like a deconstructed brownie, and I really like the little toffee crisp. I wanted to be reminded of my childhood, and that is exactly what that does.
Thank you.
Technically, I think your work is great. I really like your little toffee crisp from the puffed rice. Your Genoise is made very, very nicely, slightly dense cake. You've got a very smooth ganache underneath. There's a touch of toffee, which I quite like with the chocolate. But for me, the raspberries are just one ingredient too many.
That's a really skillful, very attractive dessert, Jamie.
Thank you.
Yeah. I think you're proving a certain amount of skill here.
Thanks. To get that critique, to get that feedback is really rewarding. Whatever happens, I'm happy with the way I did today.